Hey, I'm standing in front of the Cantey model here in Center Point, Santee, South Carolina. It's a 2,482 square foot home, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Has a beautiful front porch, has hardy plank siding. This is lot 17. These are smart homes. You also get a camera doorbell, and we have high-speed internet. So let's make a little run through here. Full bath. Front bedroom, carpeted, nice bonus room, wood look vinyl flooring, big closet, another closet. Check out the living dining area. It is huge. Got granite countertops, nice pantry with a lot of shelving, big laundry room. Have a big bedroom with a walk-in closet. And not just one walk-in closet, check out the bathroom. The bathroom has another walk-in closet, dual vanities, nice walk-in shower, and this closet's bigger than the last one. So check it out. Water closet, linen closet. All right, let's take a little look upstairs. Comes with stainless Whirlpool appliances, dishwasher, range, and the microwave. Go upstairs real quick and take a look. These houses have 30-year architectural shingles, Sherwin-Williams paint, and they're just full of storage. Big bonus room right here. This could be almost a bedroom by itself. Big closet, attic. This is almost like a suite, like an apartment up here. Full bathroom, another large closet, another big bedroom right here with its own closet, and it overlooks the pond, and then the golf course is right back there. All right, give me a call, 843-469-6228, if you want to buy this house in Santee, South Carolina. We're having a special price on this house for this week only. DHI Mortgage, our mortgage company, has some fantastic rates. The cardboard's just to protect the floor. That's what that's all about. So we don't want to mess up your new house. It could be yours. Just envision your family sitting at this island eating. It'd be beautiful. Okay, give me a call. Thank you very much.